This full body workout focuses on speed and power. Perform all 6 moves as a circuit, completing 20 seconds of each exercise, followed by 20 seconds of rest. Between rounds, rest for 90 seconds to 2 minutes, for a total of 3 to 4 rounds. Do this workout up to 2 times per week, allowing at least 48 hours of recovery between training sessions. Perform this workout on a solid, shock-absorbing surface, such as a rubber gym floor or grassy area. You'll want a moderately heavy medicine ball and a heavy-duty wall, brick, concrete, or padded indoor wall, though all the moves can be modified to be equipment-free. Stand in a split stance with both knees softly bent. Keep your abs engaged and your spine neutral. Weight is balanced on both feet. Bend both knees to lower into a split squat. When your back knee is about an inch from the ground, push off your front foot and jump. In midair, switch your feet so the opposite foot is in front. Land softly on the ball of your front foot, sinking back into your heel. Then, let your back foot touch down as you lower down again. Alternate sides to perform as many reps as possible in 20 seconds. Start in an athletic stance with feet at hip width, knees slightly bent. Shift your weight to one foot and explosively jump in the opposite direction. Land on the opposite foot, then quickly transition to hop back to your starting foot. Make sure to land gently as you jump from side to side. Keep knees bent and feet facing forward. Alternate sides to perform as many reps as possible in 20 seconds. Stand with the right side of your body facing a wall, about 5 feet away, and hold a medicine ball at your chest. Start in an athletic stance with knees slightly bent. Rotate your torso away from the wall, pivoting your feet to move the ball toward your outside of your left hip. Rotate to your right, pivoting your feet as you slam the ball against the wall. Catch the ball as it bounces back at you, and repeat. Perform as many reps as possible in 20 seconds. Stand with feet slightly wider than hips and toes turned out slightly. Inhale as you lower down into a squat, making sure not to round your lower back, and touch the ground in front of you with both hands. Exhale and drive through the balls of your feet to push off the ground and jump forward, extending your knees and hips. Inhale as you land softly on the balls of your feet with knees bent, and sink back down into a squat, again placing hands on the ground in front of you. Perform as many reps as possible in 20 seconds. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your core engaged. Bend your elbows, pointing them slightly backward and to the sides to lower your body toward the floor. Just as your chest is about to touch the floor, exhale and immediately push up as fast as possible, lifting your hands off the floor when your arms straighten completely. Inhale as you catch your body by returning your hands to the floor before your chest touches down. Perform as many reps as possible in 20 seconds.